In this video, we'll take the same image we did as in our last video about using the levels adjustment layer and use a curves adjustment layer to accomplish the same thing. So I'm going to go down to the adjustment layers icon at the bottom of the layers palette and create a curves adjustment layer. Let me open it up a little bit so you can see the entire properties panel. The auto button and the 3 eyedroppers work exactly the same as in that last video, so I won't cover those here. This little tool is pretty amazing. It allows you to actually get an eyedropper and go out into the image itself, and then you can click and that will set a point over here on your curve that you can then move up and down. Let me drag that off and show you. So I'm going to click but keep holding my mouse button down, and you'll see that it turns into an up and down cursor indicator. And so if I drag down, it's going to pull the curve down. And if I drag up, it will pull the curve up at that particular point. So here I'm going to bring in more of the darks. I can click on something that's an intermediate gray and pull up or down, and you'll notice how it affects the curve over here. Since our problem is in the red channel, and this red is everywhere, I'm just going to find an area, and as I hover around, you'll see the point moving to about where the middle of the red channel is, and I'm going to drag down to remove red from that channel. If I were to drag up, I would add red. And the opposite of red is green, so we're actually pulling in more green and removing red. As in the levels video, I can grab these points, this dark point, and I can pull it to the edge of the mountain. Same with the green point, same with the blue point. And then I can come in and pull some of that extra red out. Let's go into the RGB channel. Let's take this one and pull it up. I think we need to lighten up those darks just a little bit. So that's how to use the curves panel to adjust this image and restore the color.